We're gonna install his third brake light. Did you bring it?
No.
Third brake light or reverse light for BRZ. I mean, third one is technically over there, but we bought it at FT86, so it should match his 8.6 speed. It should match his Valenti tail lights. Comes with like all the stuff you need. Should be pretty straightforward. We'll see how it goes. And then me in the meantime gonna change my secondary air pump because it's throwing a code and this is not for the right car. Previous owner ordered a wrong one, which I don't blame him. This is a M56 engine, those are for M54 engine. M56 are a little bit less, they're less common, so finding parts for it therefore would be a bit more challenging. Alright, let's get to it. First we're just gonna take that off, pretty self-explanatory, just bolts in the back holding it probably. Gonna jack it up and do that. So this is the FT speed one. 86 speed. I can never get it right. This is the OEM one. There are two up here that broke, super shitty quality screws here, and then two clips on each side. You also need to take all these off to access the wires and all that stuff, to plug in these wires because these don't have bulbs, these are LED, so that bulb need to go. Let's go. So we got that out, the old one. This is the new one. You have to get in through this, and that thing goes through the hole. It's gonna it's gonna pain in the ass piece off. You can either do one by one or cut this piece, put it through, and then electric wire this, or just do a slit along this. We are trying to squeeze one by one, but I don't think it's gonna happen. So we might cut a slit through that, slip it through where it needs to be there, and these two wires are gonna merge into blue and red in this or something. I'll let you know. So we're doing the most easy way right here, just cutting the wire up. Fuck these things, they just take space and it's not gonna fit there and all that stuff. We're just putting it right there, and then I can solder it whenever he wants to. But that's all right now. Alright, don't get my fucking flip-flops. Get this. So over here we got these wires going in a socket or a plug that plugs right into there, and then two extra wires. The extra wires, brown one goes to the red, and then black one goes to green, and this is where it connects to here, and this is the tail light. So this comes from the car itself, and instead of fucking up the tail light, we would rather fuck these up. Or I mean, it's just for us because we have the Valentis, and since he might sell the car, we might need a part out, so we want to keep the Valentis intact.
Let's check it out.
Let's check it out. Alright, I'm gonna first turn on all the lights. I'm supposed to do that.
Just brake, just brake.
Is it on?
No.
So it is just brake.
You.
Reverse?
Reverse one.
Huh?
It doesn't work reverse. And
Where is reverse? Left or right?
yeah, I have to turn it on, I think. We'll shoot it reverse later after we put these up. Yes, it works. Reverse light works.
Is it hello LED?
Yeah, it's LED. It's whitish.
Nice. This is how it looks. Let me close the trunk. Way better, right?
Looks good, thank you.
Yep. This matches this a lot. That's what I was trying to, that was my main focus, looking for it. But I think it looks perfect, especially at night. It's gonna look sick. We can also wire it at night, so it's always on with it, with the light. We're gonna do all that stuff later. And he wants this strobe, so when he goes on the brake, he just goes like that, like keeps like tweaking. They call it strobe. Just like drift cars. And I already ordered strobes for my E36 LED strobes, and it's coming from eBay. I'll show it when it gets here. But as of right now, this install is done, and just doing some little things for this car for another video. Stay tuned. Comment down if you guys like this one, and what other stuff you want to see on the BRZ. Let me know if you like the BRZ content. Thanks for watching, and that's it.